Hey guys, it's Said here from the IT Solve Hub, and it's in this video I'm going to be showing you how to skip the Microsoft account login during the Windows 11 setup and create a local account instance. So during this Windows 11 setup, I'm using the Windows Home version, which is what must use come pre-installation with you're running Windows 11. If you run in the Windows 11 Enterprise, is the same process, but under this I'm just showing that how to bypass it. On this page, and select the country as a Canada as a test, and after the selected Canada, I am just click on the yes and go to the next step, and then select the US as a keyboard and skip this Windows, and then go into this Windows and accept all the everything else and skip the device name, and then under this Windows I am press the SHIFT F10 buttons, and after the select the SHIFT F10 button, command prompt Windows is showing up. I'm click on the command Windows and type the start space ms-cxh colons local only and press the enters, and then you guys see that the local account creation account is the Windows is loading up. I'm type the test username such as a David on here, and I'm gonna leave the password as a blank, but you guys can able to create the password and click on the next, and then click on the next. You guys see that I'm go to the login information come from the Microsoft to the able to the I may use the Windows 11. This is a create the profile for your Windows 11, and after that this process is done, it take a few minutes. You can able to the guys see that you are able to the log into the Windows 11 without any Microsoft account. And this video and this page, you can able to the guys bypass all the settings just in test. This is just test, but you can able to see that guys I am able to log into the Windows 11 without any issue. So finally you can guys see that we made it to desktop successfully without using the Microsoft account. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped for you, and prefer to write the guide. Thank you so much.